Get up! Get the door! Get up! Get up! Get the door open! Get out! Get out! You get out! You get out! Go!
Alright? Tell me everyone's alright.
Don't stand on it, don't stand on it.
Was it on?
Alright.
So this happened today.
Why don't we do this?
I hope it
Can we
caught
take your rig off?
Nah, just walk with it. Yeah, it's easier because I got it on my back end, you know?
Yep, there you go.
Brothers in arms. Yeah, Rich. Fix your roof later, bro. Maybe we can just get to the solid ground.
Fucking sucked, but we're alive.
But we are alive.
Ah, fucking seriously alive.
Walking through mud. This is not what I had in mind.